Alright friends, in this lesson we will print the first 10 Fibonacci numbers using a recursive function. So what's Fibonacci series? So I open my pen. Fibonacci series starts with 0 and 1. So 0 and 1, and after that each number is the sum of the previous two numbers. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. It continues like that. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. It continues like that. The hardest thing here, we need to define first two Fibonacci values. So let's start it. I can say to my function Fibonacci, and it takes argument. Super. If condition can remain because we need to stop recursive function. And what I need to do, I need to add the previous two numbers. So I need to call Fibonacci inside the parentheses x minus 1 and Fibonacci x minus 2. I need to call 2 times because I need to add the previous two numbers. Super. So in my exercise, what I need to do, I need to print the first 10 Fibonacci numbers. So inside the print function, I say my message. What's my message? Fibonacci numbers, and then I put my comma. So I open a for loop because I need the first 10 Fibonacci numbers. So I put E, and then I will use range function. So I put 10. It starts from 0, it continues until 10, but 10 is not included. So the last value will be 9. So I am entering in for loop. Inside the for loop, I use print function. I call Fibonacci and then I use E. Why I am doing this? Why it starts from 0? Because our two first Fibonacci numbers 0 and 1. So I need 0 here. So let's check this for loop. It starts from Fibonacci 0, Fibonacci 1, Fibonacci 2. It continues Fibonacci 9. So for example, Fibonacci 9. It returns Fibonacci 8 and Fibonacci 7. What's Fibonacci 8? It returns Fibonacci 7 and Fibonacci 6. It continues. So I need first two Fibonacci numbers. For doing this is our stopping condition. I'm coming here and I say less than equal to 1. If x is less than equal to 1, I return x. So for example, Fibonacci 0 is 0. Fibonacci 1 is 1. Fibonacci 2, what's that? 0 plus 1. So it's 1. So Fibonacci 3, 1 plus 1, it's 3. It's 2. It continues like that. So if I run it, right click and run it, you see it starts from 0, it continues until to my last value. I can print it on the same line. For doing this, I'm using AND keyword and then I give one space between each numbers. So I run it, you see Fibonacci numbers 0, 1, 1, 2, it continues like that. How many Fibonacci numbers I have? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Super. I calculated and printed on the screen. See you in the next lesson.